So I took some footage of a opium table, they call it. First, I made a profile with a CAD program, drew it on CAD, printed it, glued it to a piece of MDF, then I cut it out and sand exactly on the lines, get it nice and smooth. Try to stay on the lines because the curves go over into the structure of the table as well, so they must match nicely. This machine is designed for knife making actually. You can change the size of those wheels. Here it's a bit in different order. I first cut it out on the MDF and then I sanded it. I have to get myself a camera stand because all the footage was, I had to do the work with one hand. So a lot of things I didn't take pictures of or take video of because I needed two hands to do the work. Like here I'm just showing, tracing the cutout on the blocks, and then on the side trace it as well. It doesn't really matter in what order you trace it, because eventually it will cut through the whole block and in some direction make the profile you want. So I put the offcuts back on so I can see the profile that I drew on that side. Fix them with screws. Because the wood is a little bit rough, those small holes didn't bother me. Then that side I cut it out as well. It's a nice bandsaw trick to cut out these legs that looks like they cut out of a bigger block actually than they were. Gives them a curve. And from a, what do you call it, from a 45-degree view, the curve looks much bigger. So here I just clamped the piece so I can use one hand. Quite satisfying. It's a big effect with quite an easy method. Good that the shape is already there. I missed a piece there on top, but I'll just cut it out. Freehand, so to say. Now for the sanding. The same machine with a belt. It's a bit loose, it actually works well. It runs over the curvature of the leg. And yeah, it worked actually very well. It doesn't leave straight edges. Goes on with a rounding effect that I want, because there is actually a straight edge in the middle that the bandsaw didn't catch because it gets too thin. Just doing final finishing inside there. I didn't have a machine that can fit inside on the negative curve, so we had to sand it by hand. I think this video is just actually for appearance's sake. It's not really effective sanding. Just sanding. At the end I did stained the table, which I didn't. I think I took pictures of. I'll just check and add it. But then it fits quite nice. All of them done. Now for the fixing, and then the in-between pieces, and here it's, so those in-between, say, struts or joists or structure, the curvature goes into them, and then it's just finished with a router line. And those long pieces there in the middle is loose pieces of wood we routed and